Hello, I wanted to share with you a super easy chicken dish that you can do. It's like a buttery curry dish. Now, this is for those of you that are doing carnivore and you are including other spices as well, if you can tolerate it. And also, if you're doing keto, just anyone actually can benefit from this. But in any case, it's really a simple recipe. And all I am using for this is some salt, some thyme, some turmeric, and some curry powder. I don't have exact measurements. Honestly, I just kind of put on enough until I feel like it's well seasoned, and I just take some butter and cut it up. And what I do is I just go ahead and I cover it and pop it in the oven and bake it for at 400 for like an hour or so. I just do it until I see the chicken falling off the bones. And again, this is just such an easy dish. I love the fact that I don't have to stand over the stove top. I can put it in the oven and just be on my way and come back in an hour to just a yummy chicken dish. So here is the end results. The meat literally falls off the bone when I touch it with a fork. And speaking of bones, don't throw the bones away. Keep them so that you can make some great broth. So you can just put it in the freezer in a bag until you've collected enough bones. And you can click on the link above for my video on how I make a broth. So I plan to have this as part of my meal tomorrow. So this is going to have a chance to sit overnight and it's going to be absolutely delicious. For myself, I'm just going to eat the chicken, but for my family, I'm going to prepare it with some cauliflower rice with a side of avocado. All right. Hope you give it a try. And if you do, I hope you enjoy it.